In this video, let me show you how to use the Robinhood IRA 3% match feature. So if you're trying to receive the 3% match within the Robinhood platform, you'll need to maintain an active Robinhood Gold subscription as well as make eligible cash contributions to a self-directed traditional as well as the Roth IRA. So as I said, you need to first of all subscribe to the Gold subscription of Robinhood. Only then you'll be able to use this feature. If you have subscribed already, what you simply need to do is head over to the retirement tab and then create a self-directed IRA, which either could be a traditional IRA or even a Roth IRA. Once your account has been created, you'll need to deposit some funds from your external bank account. If you have not yet linked any sort of accounts, make sure you do. And once you have linked your account, make sure you make some deposits. The 3% match bonus will be settled in cash inside your retirement account straight away. So as soon as you deposit some amounts, the 3% bonus match will be instantly settled. You can use this cash amount to immediately purchase the stocks or even options within this platform. So this is the exact steps that you need to follow in order to use the Robinhood IRA 3% match. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and I'm going to see you in the next video.